Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to make chicken Shami Kabab, the ones that are made traditional way without machine. Ingredients that we need are chicken 1 kilogram with bones. You can also use boneless chicken. Chana dal 300 grams soaked in water for an hour. 1 medium-sized onion sliced. 1 egg. 6 to 7 garlic pods and ginger 2-inch piece sliced. Cumin seeds 2 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon heaped. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Garam masala powder or allspice powder 2 tablespoons. Salt according to your taste. Green chillies 2 to 3 chopped. Whole red chillies 4 to 5. Coriander leaves half cup and cooking oil for frying. Put chana dal, chicken, whole red chillies, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, coriander powder, garam masala powder or allspice powder, salt, ginger and garlic, and 5 cups of water. Cover and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, uncover and remove the chicken. And again, cover and cook chana dal till it gets completely cooked and water dries up. Only very little moisture should be left. Meanwhile, separate the chicken pieces and bones and mash the chicken and lentils. You can use hands, havan dasta or a chopper. I am making kebabs in the traditional way, hence using a havan dasta. As you can see, chicken and chana dal, everything is mashed up. Now add egg, green chilies and onions. Mix. Well, I forgot to add coriander leaves, so I'm using them right now. Mix again. Now grease your hands with oil and make kebabs as shown in the video. Like this. Now shallow fry all the kebabs. Fry the kebabs 2 to 3 minutes each side. And serve. You can freeze them also. When needed, defrost and use. Enjoy! Guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to This Mom Chef. Also, like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram for latest updates.